What is cracking, you fishing jamokes? Eastern PA Fishing here. The goal of today's video is to catch a fish over 10 pounds.
Oh my gosh, giant fish. Holy smokes. All right, holy smokes, this is a big fish. It's got me wrapped around a whole bunch of junk. Hopefully it'll come back this way soon. Oh my gosh. This is the one we were waiting for. Sorry I wasn't recording on that, but we can land this fish. Oh my gosh. What a prize it will be. Oh my gosh, look at my rod. Unbelievable. Come on back this way. Oh, what a pig. Yes, still got him on. He's coming towards us. Got out of those sticks. Oh my gosh, gigantic fish. Oh man, I really hope we can land him. 10-pound test today. Can't break off on this dude. He might be over 10. Oh my gosh, giant fish. Absolutely giant. Come on, dude. Now, I know most of you people who fish in this part of Pennsylvania probably haven't even ever seen a fish this big. Hopefully we can land this one here. Man, this dude has all the power. Come on, man. Got him good though. We should be able to land him. Get over here just a little bit. Holy smokes. Come on, dude. Giant fish. Gotta play this guy right. Even though I am fishing the 10-pound test, he will snap that stuff like a stick. Come on, dude. Slowly but surely coming our way. Definitely still has some fight in him though. Oh my gosh. Huge fish. Come on. Get on up here. Oh, that's the big ugly one I saw out there too. I've been looking at this fish for a while. Come on, man. Look at that. Gigantic common carp. Oh my gosh, what a pig. He's coming. Oh, he's gonna turn and run one more time, but he's not going far. Oh man. Come on, carp. Oh my gosh. What a powerhouse. It's probably the biggest carp I've caught in a while if I can catch him. He would just give up and get over here. Oh my gosh. Fish is starting to wear up my wrist. Oh, come on. Just when I thought he was done. Now he's just really mad. He's got to be getting tired. This is a strong fish. I think we're just a little bit stronger. Come on, Mr. Common Carp. Oh, holy smokes. Oh man, just got us soaked. Come on, dude. This is unbelievable. Guy refuses to be caught. Get on up here. He's coming in hot. Oh man. Nice little area to beach him here. Trying to keep his head up out of the water. Oh, man, this dude is ridiculous. Come on, man. Come on. Get on up here. Oh my gosh. This has got to be a... man, this has got to be like a 15-pound carp. Holy smokes. Get on up here, dude. Enough is enough. Nowhere to go. Maybe there is. I can't believe this. Why can't I land this dude? Come on, man. If only I had a net. Man, come on, carp. Get on up here, dude. He's just doing everything in his power to refuse me. That's all right, though. We got him. He is ours. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Yo, that is like a freaking, what is this, like a 20-pound fish? Holy smokes, dude. I don't even know if I can get this guy all on camera. Look at that tail. No wonder this guy took so long to get in. He's about twice the size I thought he was when I got him out of the water. Look at that, dude. Oh man, that is a big, old freaking fish. What a hog. I'm gonna put him down just for a little bit. Gonna get this hook out. We're gonna get him right back. Look at that fish. Oh my gosh. Absolutely massive. Gigantic freaking carp. Look at that fish. Absolutely freaking giant. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. That is a big old fish. Now I have had this guy out of the water for just a little bit, but he should be absolutely fine. And there he goes, just like that. If we only catch one fish today, I am definitely glad it was that one. That was an absolute giant fish for anywhere in Pennsylvania. Anyway, if you guys haven't already, please scroll down below, hit that thumbs up button, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, you have to do that. I want to go over my gear and tackle. I have a medium powered Cast King Centron rod and reel. I got the combo today, and I have it all spooled up with some 10-pound monofilament line, and I have a 6-foot long fluorocarbon leader on there. That is very important. You want to make sure you're using that when you're fishing for these big old carp, because they will see the line if you're using monofilament. Let's see if we can get another one. I'm freaking pumped.